The goal of this activity is to really work the legs and you loosen up the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna need some type of ramp and a trap bar or a hex bar. It's a lot easier if you elevate the trap bar and hex bar, so I would encourage you to do that. I'm not gonna do that because, well, it's kind of lazy, didn't want to set it up. Anyways, you're gonna step in the middle of the trap bar, make sure you're on the ramp. And what you wanna do is you wanna start with soft knees, get a subtle tuck of the hips, exhale to start. Now this is different than a trap bar deadlift. With the deadlift, you're pushing the hips back. Here, you wanna squat down to pick up the bar and you're gonna squat it back up, just like so. So I'm here, squat down to get the bar. Notice I'm a little more vertical. I'm gonna pull the tension out of it. Exhale, come up. Soft knees at the top, you don't wanna lock out with this. That way you keep the quads on tension. Rinse and repeat. Inhale down, shoot the knees forward. Exhale up, staying heavy on the heels. One more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.